This video will demonstrate how to use the 36pix desktop app to upload and download a job. First, log into the application using your CloudKO username and password, then select which environment your account is in. Once logged in, you will be on the Jobs page where you can view all the jobs you've sent to 36pix. To create a new job, click the Upload Images button. First, create a job name for your job. Next, select the organization you would like to upload your images to from the Select Organization drop-down. If you only have one organization, it will be selected by default. Then, select a profile for your job from the Select Profile drop-down. A profile is the service or combination of services that will be applied to the images in your job, such as extraction, color correction, or auto. Auto means that a job will be completed automatically without any human verification required. Once the files have been processed, the job will transfer automatically and be ready to download from the desktop app. If you do not use all the combination of services available, you can go to the Profiles page and deactivate the ones that you never use. This will remove them from your Select Profiles drop-down list. To view detailed descriptions of each profile, please click the link in the description box below this video. Now select a priority for your job from the Priority drop-down. If you are a CloudKO Enterprise user, select DIY for the job priority. If you are sending the job as a verified full service job, select either Regular, Rush, Priority, or Rework. If you choose an auto profile, then the priority DIY will be selected automatically, as it is the only possible priority for auto jobs. Next, select your files to add to the job. You have the option to add images or a folder by either selecting the appropriate button or by dragging and dropping the files or folder. Only .jpg files can be processed. If an invalid file is selected, you will get a warning pop-up and the file will not be added to the job. If you need to remove a selected image from the job, click on the negative symbol next to the image. Once all your files are added to the job, click on the Upload button. You will receive a confirmation pop-up. Click Yes to proceed with the creation of the job. You will then be taken to the Upload Progress page, where you can view the upload status of your job. From here, you have the option to go to the Jobs page by clicking View Jobs, or to create another job by clicking Upload More Images. Let's click View Jobs to go to the Jobs page. If your new job is not shown, just click the Refresh button to refresh the page and your job will appear at the top of the list. You can view the status of your job in the Job Status column. When a job is in To Mask, that means it's ready to work on in CloudKO. If you're an enterprise user, you will see an eye icon button, which, when clicked, will open the job in CloudKO. Two tabs will open in your browser. One tab will open the viewer, so you can view and edit your images, and the other tab will open the Job Details page, where you can transfer your job once you've finished editing your images. CloudKO Enterprise users will also see a Reset button. Resetting a job will undo all the edits applied to the images in the job, as well as reset the statuses of the images. This action cannot be undone. A Download button will appear in the Actions column next to all jobs. The button will appear gray and be disabled if the job is still in progress, or if it was a job that was sent to 36pix using a method other than the desktop app. It will become enabled and appear blue once the job is ready to download. When the Download button is clicked, a Download Options pop-up will appear, allowing you to select an output folder for your results. You can also choose to put either the job name in the name of the folder or the job number, or both. Click Confirm to download the job. If you would rather download all downloadable jobs at once, you can select all the jobs by clicking on the box at the top of the column containing the square icons. The Download button at the bottom of the page will become clickable and will display the number of downloadable jobs selected in parentheses. To unselect all the jobs, just click the square box a second time. Please check out our 36pix desktop app knowledge base for more information. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you can stay up to date on all of our new products and features. Thanks for watching.